Hi, I'm Amy with UnionMain Homes in Milrany Ranch, located in Melissa, Texas, one of the fastest growing areas in North Texas, and just minutes away from popular restaurants and shopping. Quick access to 121 provides an easy commute, and students attend the outstanding Melissa ISD, with the high school just a 5-minute walk away. Some of the features of the community is a community pool, walking trails, and a playground. UnionMain Homes in Milrany Ranch offers multiple floor plans to fit your family's needs. This home features a large master bedroom, and the master bathroom features full-height mirrors. Upstairs you'll find a large game room, 3 bedrooms, and 2 baths. This home features full brick and stone exterior. The gourmet kitchen includes granite countertops, painted cabinets, and cabinet pulls. Upgraded decorative lighting throughout the home is included. Security package includes Alexa Show and the Care Video doorbell. Fully sodded yard with irrigation system and robust landscape package. There are many other features we'd like to share with you, so we hope to see you soon at UnionMain Homes in Milrany Ranch.